Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the compressed zip folder is invalid error. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and go to your search bar, okay, and type down add or remove programs. Okay, just click on it. Now once done, go ahead and find either WinRAR, okay, this one, or 7-zip. Okay, once you've found it, just go ahead and click on three dots, hit on uninstall. Okay, so once that's uninstalled, you can now go ahead and double click on the zip file once more, and it should open up. Now if that still won't work, don't worry, since we have deleted our 7-zip or WinRAR. Okay, what we're gonna do is just go ahead and open up a web browser and just download WinRAR. Okay, hit on enter, download from here, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and find the version that you would like to use, as well as the languages right here. So just click on download, save it wherever you want, save, wait for the download process to finish, reinstall it, and after that, reopen your zip file once more, and it should work now. Okay, that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.